Hello guys, welcome to Programming Knowledge Hub. My name is Vishal. In this lecture, I am going to explain the if-else statement in C#. C# provides many conditional statements to modify the flow of a program based on certain conditions. The if statement is used to check if the particular condition is true or false, and based on that condition, executes a block of code. The else statement, which is followed by the if statement, is optional. Here is the syntax of if statement. The if statement accepts a boolean condition. If the condition evaluates to true, the code block followed by if statement is executed, otherwise it won't be executed. Also note that the if keyword is in lowercase letter. The uppercase if keyword will generate an error. Let's switch to Visual Studio. Here I have created a simple console application. I have also created a simple program which checks if the value of A is greater than the value of B, and if it is, it will print this A is greater than B on the console. Let's run this program and check the output. So it has printed A is greater than B, as the value of A is 20 and the value of B is 10. Now let's make the condition false. Here let's write the condition if the value of A is less than the value of B. So the value of A is 20 and the value of B is 10. And also let's write another statement here which says end of a program. Let's save this and run the application using Ctrl F5 again, and let's see what output it generates. So as the value of A is not less than value of B, so the condition is evaluated to false, and the compiler skipped the if block and executed the end of a program statement. Here is the syntax of else statement. The block of code in else statement is executed if the condition specified in the if statement evaluates to false. Note that the else keyword is also in the lowercase letters, and if we write else in the uppercase letter, it will generate an error. Here is the complete program of comparison of two numbers written using the if else statement. You can try passing various values to the variables x and y and check the output of the program. Try running this program on your machine. Here is another program as an example which checks if the particular number is even or odd. If the number is divided by 2 and the remainder is 0, then the number is even, otherwise number is odd. Try running this program on your machine by passing various even and odd numbers and check the output. Thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, please give it a like and share it with your friends. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification whenever I upload new video.